Okay, so here's fried chicken. It's the best. But she's going to marinate it and put it as, what do you do it? Sesame chicken. I like it plain. I'm going to try to get her to at least do one of them without dipping it in the sesame sauce. I know everybody likes sesame chicken, but I like regular chicken. I don't want all that stuff on it.
This one came apart. Okay.
Okay, so then we'll eat that one. Okay, so here's your
Yeah,
little
you do
dipper.
that. No,
oh, you want me to
that.
do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at it, I can do it with my left hand even. Pretty. Okay, so you wanted me to cut the cucumbers? Grandma.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's generic.
Too much?
No, there's like hardly any yolk in that one, and it's all fat and crumbly. Look at this. I need a new toothpick.